Welcome to the deep dive. Okay, close your eyes for a second. Just imagine this. You've just arrived in a new city. Maybe it's buzzing, loads happening.
Yeah.
And the smell from this amazing little restaurant pulls you in. But you step inside and realize it's all in English. Are you ready? Like, really ready to handle that whole dining experience?
It can be a bit daunting sometimes.
Right. So today we're doing a deep dive just for you. And look, our mission isn't just about, giving you a list of phrases.
No, it's more than that.
Exactly. It's about equipping you with the real confidence, the strategic know-how to actually enjoy eating out in English. We've looked at, articles, research, traveler tips, all sorts of things. To pull out the really key stuff about restaurant English, think of it as, your fast track to not just ordering, but maybe connecting a bit.
And what's really interesting, I think, is how getting these little interaction details right, it goes beyond just the words.
Yeah, how so?
Well, it can totally change the feel of it. What could be stressful suddenly becomes smooth, even enjoyable. It's about those subtle cues, the expectations.
Right.
And knowing why some phrases just land better. Our sources, they all pretty much say the same thing. Small tweaks in how you say things, big boosting confidence, and better interactions overall.
Okay, let's unpack that. Let's start right at the beginning. The entrance. You've walked in. Host or hostess is right there. What's that very first exchange usually like?
Almost always the first questions you'll hear are going to be something like, "Hi, how many people?"
Okay. Makes sense.
Or, "Do you have a reservation?" Basically, they need your party size.
Yeah.
Did you book ahead? And reservation, that just means booking a table in advance. Crucial for busy places.
So for you listening, how do you handle that? Let's say there are two of you. Super simple. "Hi, table for two, please."
Perfect. Polite, clear.
And if you did plan ahead, book that table.
Then you'd say, "Yes, we have a reservation under," and then just give your name.
Okay. And what if you're just, winging it? Spur of the moment.
That's no reservation. Is there a table available? Straightforward. Lets them know right away.
Got it. Direct and polite.
And actually, a quick tip. If you do have a reservation, but you're maybe a bit early or running a little late, it's always good just to mention it. Like, "Hi, reservation for 7, but we're about 10 minutes early. Hope that's okay."
Oh, nice touch. Manages expectations.
Exactly. Both sides.
Okay, greetings done. Usually, they lead you to your table next. They might say, "Right this way, please," or maybe "Just follow me."
Yeah.
It's the simple, smooth response there.
Just a nice, clear thank you works perfectly.
Simple.
And as you're getting settled, if I haven't already given you one, it's totally fine to ask, "Can I see the menu, please?"
Right. Always add the please.
Politeness is key.
Yeah.
Always.
Okay, now, here's where it often gets, interesting. Or maybe a bit intimidating for some. The menu.
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
The menu.
We've all been there, right? Staring at this list thinking, what is half of this stuff? How do you get clear?
Well, the main thing our research shows is don't be afraid to ask.
Yeah.
Seriously. Guessing can go wrong.
Okay, so what kind of questions?
Use these. What's this dish? If the name means nothing to you. What's in this? That's super important, especially if you have allergies or, just preferences.
Definitely.
Is this spicy? Always a good one to check.
Yeah.
And for specific needs, absolutely ask. Do you have vegetarian options? Or is this gluten-free? They expect these questions.
And a really practical tip that kept coming up in the sources, even before asking, just quickly scan for words you do know.
Good point. Like
Chicken, beef, fish, pasta, salad, the basics. It helps you get your bearings fast.
Right. It narrows things down, makes your questions maybe more focused then.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, sometimes you don't just want facts. You want their opinion, their expertise. How do you ask for recommendations?
Yeah, tapping into the server's knowledge is smart. The best ways seem to be pretty direct.
Wait.
What do you recommend? Simple as that. Or, what's your special today? Lots of places have daily specials.
Or maybe even what's the most popular dish? People often like trying the crowd pleaser.
Totally. That works too. And you'll usually get a helpful answer.
Yeah, something like, oh, our pasta is really popular. Or maybe the chef's special today is grilled salmon. They generally like to guide you.
They do. It's part of the service.
Right. Now, the main event itself, ordering the food and drinks. How do we do that smoothly and, importantly, politely?
Okay, politeness is key again. Our sources pointed out a subtle thing here.
Oh.
You can say, can I have? And it's fine. But I'd like often sounds just a little softer, more like a preference, less like a demand.
I see. I'd like versus can I have? A subtle difference.
Yeah, exactly. So you might say, I'd like the chicken sandwich, please.
Sure.
Or, can I have the pasta, please? Still works, especially with please.
Got it. And if you're ordering for someone else too?
You could say, for me, the soup. And for her, the salad. Just be clear.
Okay. What about drinks? Pretty similar.
Yep, very similar. Just water for me, thanks. Or, can I get a Coke? I'd like an orange juice, please. Simple, direct.
And often the server will ask first, right? Like, would you like anything to drink?
Very common, yeah.
Yeah.
It's often the first thing they ask after seating you or giving you menus.
Okay, so food's ordered, drinks are coming. But what if, mid-meal you need something? More water, a napkin, maybe something's not quite right.
Right. You need to get their attention without shouting across the room.
Exactly. How do you do that politely?
There's one phrase that's absolutely golden here. Excuse me.
Ah, yes. Simple but effective.
Totally. It's the universal polite interrupter. Just catch their eye, say, excuse me, and then make your request.
Like what? Give us some examples.
Sure. Excuse me, could we get more water, please? Or, excuse me, can I have some salt? Maybe, excuse me, could I get some napkins?
And if there's, a problem?
Same start. Excuse me, this isn't quite what I ordered. Or, excuse me, I think my soup is a little cold. It just opens the conversation politely.
It really is a powerful little phrase, isn't it? Excuse me. So versatile.
Definitely. 2 small words, huge impact.
Okay, so the meal was great, hopefully, but all good things. Well, they end. Time to wrap up. Paying the bill. What does the server usually ask near the end?
They'll often do a final check-in, something like, was everything okay?
Right.
Or can I get you anything else? Maybe coffee, dessert.
And assuming everything was good, you can say.
It was delicious, thank you.
Yeah.
Always nice to give positive feedback.
And if you're just ready to go.
Then it's no thank you, just the check, please.
Okay, the check. Now, worth pointing out, that's mostly North American English, right?
Yes, exactly. Check means the bill. In the UK, Australia, other places, you'd more likely ask for the bill.
So the direct question would be, can we have the check, please? Or could we have the bill, please? Depending where you are.
Precisely. And then comes payment. You might need to ask.
How to pay?
Right. Can I pay by card? Is common. Or do you accept credit cards?
And what if you're with friends and want to split it?
The classic dilemma.
Yeah.
Can we split the bill?
Yeah.
Is the key phrase.
Good one to know.
And it helps to be clear how you want to split it. Like, can we split it evenly? Or maybe, can we pay separately for what each person had? Saves confusion.
Smart. And tipping, if you're paying cash and want them to keep the tip from the change.
A really common way to say that is, as you hand over the money, here you go. Keep the change.
Clear signal. Got it.
Mm-hmm.
All right. You've paid, you're happy. Time to actually leave. Those final words as you walk out the door.
Keep it simple, keep it gracious. Thank you. Have a nice day. Works wonders.
Or...
Thanks. The food was great. A little specific compliment is always nice. Or even just a warm, bye, thank you.
Yeah, it leaves a good last impression.
Absolutely. Our observations suggest a smile and a quick thank you really do make a difference, even if it's busy.
Okay, so let's pull all this together. We've gone from walking in the door to walking out. If you had to boil down the most crucial advice from this whole deep dive for someone wanting confident restaurant English, what would it be?
Okay, 3 main things, I think. First, politeness above all. Use please and thank you consistently. Seriously, our research shows this just smooths everything over.
Like social lubrication.
Exactly. Even if your grammar isn't perfect, politeness counts for a lot. Second, don't be afraid to ask questions.
Yeah, we covered a few good ones.
It shows you're engaged and it prevents mix-ups. Way better to ask what's in this before it arrives than deal with something you can't eat later.
True. Better to ask up front.
For sure. And finally, just, smile. Make the effort. Servers really do appreciate it when you try to communicate in English, perfect or not. Your effort matters.
That's great advice. Be polite, ask questions, and just give it a go with a smile.
Pretty much sums it up.
Well, you've just taken quite a journey with us, not just through phrases, but really through the whole, the mechanics, the feel of dining out confidently in English. You really are equipped now.
Yeah, this knowledge genuinely empowers you. It can take something that felt maybe a bit scary and turn it into something you can actually look forward to, something enjoyable and confident, which actually raises an important question for you listening right now.
Oh, what's that?
How are you going to put this deep dive into practice?
Good question.
Maybe the next time you're in an English-speaking restaurant, challenge yourself. Go beyond just pointing. Try asking, what do you recommend? See how it feels.
Or even if you're not traveling soon.
You can still practice. Listen for these phrases in movies, TV shows, or just, imagine you're ordering at home. Say, I'd like the pasta, please, out loud.
It's about making it active, right? Not just passive listening.
Exactly. The goal isn't instant perfection. It's about progress. And that comes from trying, from practicing, and maybe just a little bit of courage.